Hello, here I am again. We're going to get into FlipGrid, introduce each other. I'm going to add my tutorial right here. Click on this link, join with Google. We are a Google institution. You need to make sure you use your Cub account, cub.uca.edu. Login successful. Here I am, Denise Demers. Here's our international health class. And I just want you to introduce yourself. A few things. You have 90 seconds, 1 minute and 30 seconds to say, hey, this is who I am, my name, whatever else you want to say. But I want to hear from you about something that you're proud of outside of school. Outside of school, something that you're very proud of. And then anything that helps us get to know you, all right? Click record a response. Boom, here I am. You've seen me right here before, haven't you, in this nice shirt. End of my day. Click. You'll see up here that you have a countdown, but you also have 1 minute and 30 seconds to say, hi, my name is Dr. Demers, Denise Demers. I am from a lot of different places. Was born in California, lived in Utah for a while. My family and I moved down from Illinois. We lived in Tennessee. I have 4 children. I think that's what I'm most proud of, that they are good citizens, good adults, learning to be adults, right? I have a daughter who will be a freshman this year at UCA. Another son, my second son, he's on a mission, and my first son is he's out in Utah snowboarding and doing all those things. Just graduated from college, and then my youngest will be a junior in high school this year. Awesome. I am most proud of them. To get to know me means that you know that my family means the most to me. And I love to be outside. Right outside that window is a pool that I put up, just an above ground, that I can soak this body in. If you'll notice right there, there's no trim around that door because we're doing a lot of remodeling right now. Something that I love. I look forward to watching your FlipGrids. Introduce yourself and then say hi to everybody. You'll see it has a countdown. When it gets to 10 seconds, it'll start beep, 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 beep. And then all you do is click, boom, stop. Next. But you also have you don't need to do that. Seconds. Denise D. I can put any name I want there. Dr. D. I can put howdy ho from me. I can take a selfie. I can use that. So if I don't want to use that, because that looks kind of funny, right? Here we are. I can take a selfie, which may look even worse. I'll just smile. There I am. I can put some effects on there if I want, but you don't have to do anything. Confirm it, or you can redo your selfie. You're like, oh, no, that looks kind of bad, right? Whatever. See that right there? That's called a double chin, and I'm really okay with it. I'd like to get rid of it, but, whatever. Confirm, submit, uploading your video, and the fireworks come. We're done. And then, if you'll notice, there I am. So when you get onto this, you can click on me and click on everybody else, and you can read, listen. Have 1 minute 30 seconds to say hi. My name is Dr. Demers, Denise Demers. And you can comment. You can add a text comment, or you can video your comment and just say, hey, good to meet you, however it is that you would like to do. All right, that's a long enough video for all of us. And we'll go and stop there.